because the number of students selecting the college is a questionable state now. You might have seen this year so many colleges with 4 students admission, 10 students admission, 15 students admission happening. Can they really run the college with the 10 students? With 360 intake, only 10 students have taken the program. How do they run? These are all going because of quality education. How do you expect the quality? When you have a quality teachers, then only you can expect a quality education. Today I might have observed, every college will be flooded with the infrastructure. It is not a dearth today. The real problem is teachers. We don't have a qualified teachers. We don't have a proper teachers who can really educate the student fraternity. We don't have a teachers with the ownership. We have a teachers, but there is no ownership. There is no involvement. Probably this is the area Azim Premji has identified in a right actually time. So he is actually prepared a team of people in the Wipro and he started training. Their program supposed to train 10,000. That's what Mission 10X says. 10,000 teachers in engineering. Today, as I've overheard, they are telling they have reached by this 20,000 teachers. Really, we must appreciate the team of people. They have reached the target, double target today. 20,000 teachers in the higher education, particularly in engineering teachers, they are trained. So one thing you should remember, the training goes on for 5 days only. But how you are going to implement, that is matters. Probably Dr. Veerana in his reflections, he was telling that the management has to give time. Nothing to do. Management cannot do anything with the time. Time is in your hand. What management can give the time? Nothing like that. The vacations has been given. Your working hours has been given. Your entire time table has been given to you. You have to plan yourself. That is within us. How you can allocate the time is within us. You have to plan yourself for tomorrow's classes. You have to plan yourself for how you can give the students back. How you can reach the student fraternity. What student actually expecting from you. That's what they have trained you in the micro level or a macro level. Probably this is a kind of motivation. So many faculties are so happy. I can see the cheerful moods of them while they are receiving the certificates. Don't forget, just as the certificates for the display. So indirectly, the Mission 10X people are saying, every day while you are looking the certificate, you should cherish what you have learned, how much you have transferred to the students. Every day when you are looking at that certificates, you should remember this, the Mission 10X. Probably within a week's time, they will be giving you the identity of photographs you are receiving with the team of Mission 10X or the principal with the group. That also photographs will be there with you. You can also display that photo. Whenever you are looking at those photographs, you should remember we have learned 5 days. How much we have transformed. How much knowledge we have gained and how we are multiplying. Please remember, one of my professors used to say, please share the knowledge always with your students or anybody, whomsoever you come across, it multiplies in you. It's a fact. When you are teaching the first time in any subject, probably you may find it a bit of difficulty. Same subject, if you taught 10 times, you will have a command on the subject. You will become a master in the subject. Same thing, the professor says, don't share your money with anybody. It's a fact. You may not get back that money. That's a fact. Don't share money, but share the knowledge. Probably we must be very grateful to the Wipro team who have come all the way here. And I don't know whether they are comfortable or not, probably, madam. So with a due apology, the facilities, what has been here. So as from the management representative, on behalf of all my faculties who are here, City and AMC, so you have bared with us for 5 days. I don't know, you should tell us a feedback about it. So I must be very grateful to particularly the resource person, Gautami, Gayatri, and the cameraman. Dr. Vatsala and Pramod, Prahalad, Dr. Vatsala Singh, no? Vatsal? Okay, Dr. Vatsal Singh. 1.5 days. All these people as a resource person, they have come all the way. So they have trained you like anything now. It's your stage has come to prove yourself now how you can reach to the next level of Mission 10X. Probably the targets are not very easy as you think in the level 1. The level 2 is much difficulty. Probably out of 40 faculties who have been already trained in this, hardly around 5 to 6 people are able to reach the second level. Uma Maheshwaran should say about it. So probably I should appreciate Uma Maheshwaran. His article has come in the Wipro's, actually in the newsletter. That's what he was sharing. It has come the full-length paper as one of the best model which is implemented practically and successful model. Like that, many more models probably I can expect from you also in endeavors to come. And just, before concluding, because we are all teachers, given an opportunity, hours together, we are keeping on, discussing. Probably a lot of things they have to share from their end. So our chairman is supposed to come and join here as a chief guest because of his busy schedule. So as conveyed, to all the Wipro people on behalf of the management, you please see to that the momentum must be handed over to them. Let me execute that job before I conclude. So now I request actually Srinivas Rao, Dr. Srinivas Rao has joined to our group as an AMC campus director. Sir, also I'll welcome you to AMC group. Probably most of our faculties may not be knowing you. So, and I request the Srinivas Rao on behalf of the management to hand over a memento to the Wipro team. The first I request Dr. Banga. Sir, please hand over a memento to Dr. Banga. I request Srinivas Rao to hand over. Big round of applause, please. He is the man behind the Wipro Mission 10X. He was also an academician earlier. He was a professor in Shimoga. So now he is doing a lot of things in the Mission 10X. Sir, thank you for blessing this program. And also I request to hand over a memento to Raju Venkat. So the first day he has come here to train you people, and for the concluding remarks also he has come all the way from the Wipro. Thank you very much for all the support, Raju Venkat. Now I request Srinivas Rao to hand over a memento to a resource person, Gayatri, Professor Gayatri. Thank you very much, madam. So, and also I request hand over a memento as a token of our remembrance or an appreciation to Mr. Prahalad. Prahalad is there? He has not come. And Pramod, cameraman. So once again, I thank the Wipro team, sir. Special thanks to all of you. You have come all the way and implement a lot of micro level and macro level training to our people, and you have given a beautiful certificates which they can display and they can start practicing from tomorrow. Probably most of them, earlier the Veeranna, somebody was blaming principal also. Principal is making compulsory for these programs and all those things. Probably one thing we should remember, sometimes in the administration, we can win over the people by love and affection. Sometimes we have to be like a Hitler. Otherwise things will not take place. Probably I am extremely sorry. Probably your busy schedule. All the professors I pull down, in your, you are supposed to enjoy your vacation, enjoy your valuation for 1 week. So we are made to learn something 1 week. If something hurts to your feelings against the principal, I deeply apologize for that. You felt anything like that? Yes. Then I will be happy then. So thank you very much for all the participants, particularly City Engineering College. More than around 9-10 faculties have come. I can see each one of you have got a different talent. Particularly, I saw the Mahesh Babu. He's a very good, he does the mimicry. Almost all the film actors, when we had one get-together last week, AMC and City family, in our farmhouse, I can see his talent. He's a really talented person. And he needs kind of training here, teaching. He can excel like anything. Such talented people. And the other day I have an occasion to interact with Shalini Prasad. She's also very knowledgeable in the microcontroller chips, we're supposed to purchase. For that interaction, she has come to my chamber. I can see really that involvement, the kind of knowledge, what she's having. We have a very talented pool, in fact. And especially I should appreciate in this occasion Dr. Ramaswamy. When I requested Ramaswamy, in this age, that zeal of learning is there, it's great. Really, Ramaswamy, on behalf of all our young team, I should appreciate you. When I requested Ramaswamy, can you attend Mission 10X? It is 7 days you have to listen. But on the other side, I said, no sir, I'm very happy. So in fact, I've been identified like Dr. Ramaswamy as one of the resource person for the soft skill training, which he will be starting shortly, learning from the Campus Connect program. We have another tie-up with the other company. In fact, I recommended his name. He may be a right person who can really give it back to something to our faculties. So one thing I wanted to share with you, because faculties are faculties, because I was also a faculty once upon a time. So now even today I take classes by hardly 4 or 5 hours in a week. So the faculties, we have a special characters. I don't know, I have seen most of the faculties, I don't think otherwise. We have our nature. Suppose we have some material with us, we'll never give it to anybody. It is our material. We claim it, it is our right. This material, we only take, we only will dictate to students. We don't want to give it to anybody, even for Xerox, or even to take it. Some other colleague, if they ask, they will not give. I've seen some of the teachers have that qualities. That should not be. A material is an open source. So now today, if the Wipro thinks that it is our material, they have not shared anything with you. They are sharing a lot of textbooks with you. They are sharing a lot of the knowledge base with you. Similarly, that's what I said. If you share the knowledge, it multiplies in you. Now, my sincere advice to all the participants who have participated with a true spirit, please transfer the knowledge. Please practice Mission 10X. I am so happy. I congratulate each one of you to become a Mission 10Xian. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Last but not least, we have come to the session of vote of thanks. Now I request Dr. Srinivas Rao, Director, Integral Campus, to address the gathering.
Presentation, next presentation, validatory presentation.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very interesting face, Dr. Banga. I met him around 3:15. From that time to now, I could see a continuous smiling face. And Mr. Razu, a man vibrating with his forehead, with a lot of energy. This is a training what they get from Wipro, because it is a training from the leadership. The leader who is sitting on the top, he is transforming his energy to all the level of the hierarchy of the organization. That is Ajiz Premji, a man committed for social transformation. And now, in a micro level, what he is being conveyed as a talent transformation. We are all lucky as the teachers, born as the teachers. We are graced by the God. That's the reason all we happen to be teachers here. One of the finest opportunity of being a human being is number one. Secondly, the finest opportunity being a teacher. 1.2 billion of population, out of which how many of teachers are there? You're the luckiest segment of this country. Let me congratulate on this. Before I go a little further, I have to introduce myself, why I am here. I am Dr. P. Srinivas Rao from Visakhapatnam. But basically, a man from entire country. I have been in Delhi, Punjab, Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, UP, Orissa, and previous place, Visakhapatnam, now in Bangalore with you. Let me first of all thank my chairman, our chairman, who has given me this opportunity. And my job is Director, Integrated Development. Not confined to only one college. My job is to facilitate, help all the group colleges and group institutions in technology area, human area, infrastructure area, all resources. I have seen your principal also. I met just around 12:30, I hope. Before that, I have not met him. A very dynamic gentleman, very energetic, very enthusiastic, a positive personality. I have seen more than 100 engineering colleges, but he's the youngest principal with a lot of energy. Congratulations to him. I could see a different combination of faculty members here. Very young ma'ams are there, very young gentlemen are there. Same time, a senior person like Ramaswamy sir is there also. The moment he was talking about space, yes, this is the first and foremost thing that one has to understand as a teacher. If there is no space, there is no data in a computer or in a mobile, isn't it? Simple theory in engineering or in simple mathematics, if there is no space, there is no data. How do we create space? This all depends on good teachers. We have to create space. Today's students are very complicated. It's not like that earlier days. Today's students are beyond our knowledge also. Their technological upgradation is so high, their information is so high that we have to match with their demands. For that, continuous training is very important. Continuous training is very important, either from company or in-house or wherever. So I congratulate all of you for attending this training, and I hope your principal will conduct many more trainings, such a trainings like this, and you'll enjoy. God bless you.